welcome back to my channel. My name is Sierra, and today I want to work on some Christmas coasters. I have these stickers here. They're wood. They're dimensional wood stickers. I thought they were so cute. I did get them from Hobby Lobby. It's been a while. 2022 is when these stickers came out. And I have some Mylar. And I have just over 1.5 ounces of resin. So we're going to start this by putting some Mylar in this resin. So I was trying to think what I could back these little trucks in, and I thought of gold glitter, green glitter. I thought of all kinds of different colors. And I could not think of what color I wanted to use. So if you have an idea of a color that would be nice to use, let me know what you would use. I'm just going with the Mylar. I think it would look like snow. I think it would look really cute. I don't want to fill these up too much. So I'm just going to put enough down to where it covers the bottom nicely without separating. Don't want, see, I know I'm going to need more than that. That is not enough to cover that. So I will put some more in there. I might end up having to sand these after I get the little trucks in and get the tops on. Not sand them, flood coat them a little bit. I don't know, because these coaster molds, they're not too deep. I could have used my deeper molds, but I don't know. I didn't want to have them too deep. But that looks good like that. Let's see what we got here. Because according to my little writing on the mold, these take 2.5 ounces. So, yeah, that's going to take a little bit more. Looks like I might have mixed up just enough for this. We shall see. And we obviously are going to be doing this coaster backwards, meaning it's going to be facing up. I might as well use the rest of what I have in this cup. This little bit ain't going to make or break it. So there's that. Okay, I'm going to let this, I don't know if I'm going to let it set up or just tack up. I'll let you know when I come back if it's completely set up or if I just let it tack up. And we will go from there. So I will see you in a second. Okay, it has been about 1.5 hours. And the resin is starting to really set up. So I'm going to take one of these. And I'm going to place it in the center of each coaster. I'll try to get in the center. Okay. I will just try and set it down like so. There, that's good. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to let that set up and then I'll be back for the next step. Okay, this is cured enough. It'll hold. The one thing I wasn't thinking about is sealing these. I don't know if the ink's going to run. We will find out together. I have 3 ounces of resin here. And I am going to pour over the tops. I may have to flood coat these. The little sticker might be just a little bit popped up too much. That's okay. That's if the ink don't run. Wasn't even thinking. I don't know where my head was. So let's see where we're at. Let's see. Yeah, that pops up. Pops up a little bit. Oh well. I figured it would. We can remedy that. It's not a problem. I do want to dome this as much as I can. So, without overfilling it. So, I think I need a little bit more in this one. Yep. Okay. I think that's it. And I am going to let this cure, and then we'll come back and do the next step, which will be a flood coat if this ink doesn't run. If the ink doesn't run, I don't know what we'll do. So I'm not going to hit it with any alcohol because I don't want the alcohol to promote that ink from running. So, but yeah, so I will see you shortly. Okay, these have cured. Let's unmold them. I see a little tiny micro bubble there, nothing big. I'm really surprised looking at this that I didn't get more bubbles than that. I mean, I'm really surprised, honestly. Let's see what we got. That covered that nice. I don't have to flood coat that at all. That covered it really nice. That turned out beautiful. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely gorgeous. I really like that. Really like that. It's too heavy to be used as like an ornament, but you could put it like on one of those little display little thingamabobs, whatever you call those things. But yeah, it's too heavy as an ornament. You can use it as a coaster. I would display it. That's very pretty. Let's get the other one out. Okay, this one, I think I overfilled it. Yes, I did. Not much, but you can see it right there. I'll just take my deburring tool and get that off of there. But again, that turned out so pretty. And I don't have to flood coat it. I'm really surprised that that coaster was deep enough to cover that. And no bubbles in this one. Maybe a couple little, yeah, a couple little tiny ones in there. But isn't that beautiful? These turned out so pretty. Prettier than I expected. So nice. I like that I used that Mylar. It looks like the truck is driving through snow, like a snowstorm. Let me know what you think. What kind of backing would you use, or would you stuck with that kind of backing? How would you display it? Like I said, I think it'd be too heavy to hang on a tree. The branches would droop. But definitely would display this. Turned out beautiful. I really enjoy this. This has turned out real nice. I'm not too concerned with that because I'm not looking at the back. I'm just looking at the front. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, please leave in the comment section down below. Your likes and your comments really help my channel. It lets YouTube know that there is engagement on my channel, and it will put my channel in front of more people. To my subscribers, I truly appreciate you. I could not do this without you. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Hello and welcome to my channel. And I want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. And you all have a great day, and God bless. Bye.